guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, and for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. And for today's video, I'm going to do a full face using the makeup products that I don't reach out for anymore. So if you guys wanted to see those, then just keep on watching. So now let's go start. I'm going to use this primer first. This is the ColourPop Rose Quartz as a primer. So next, I'm going to use this one. This is the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Long-Wear Illuminating Foundation. I'm in the shade Natural. And then I'm gonna go pumps here first. And I'm using this beauty blender or sponge from NYX Cosmetics. They sent this to me as a free stuff for my birthday, and I don't really use it. So I'm going to apply it here. Next, I'm going to use this two concealer. This one is a Korean brand. This is the same, the Siam, and this one is a little bit darker. See guys, I'm going to show you guys the difference between these two. So you guys can see, this is the e.l.f. Cosmetics one, and this is the Korean brand one. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use this Innisfree Aquamarine. This is a mineral powder, and this is a Korean brand. I'm going to use this underneath my eyes to bake. And now I'm going to dust it off. We have this Wet n Wild Mattifying Powder. This is a Take on the Day shade. That's what it says. And this is how it looks like, guys. And I'm going to use this to my T-zone because I have like an oily skin, oily areas right here. Going to fill in my eyebrows. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is the brow pencil in the shade of taupe. I've been using deep brown or dark brown nowadays, and I haven't used this for a while. This is my previous favorite ones. Until now, I like it because I feel like this one is a natural color compared to the deep brown or dark brown. So I'm going to use this one today, just to get a natural look. I hope so. And this one is actually almost gone. I'm almost done with it. To do the eye part, I'm going to use this concealer. So I already set it with this Innisfree Aquamarine Mineral Powder. So now I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. All these combinations of this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this first. This is the Optimistic as a transition shade. Then I'm going to use Inspired. I'm going to blend it. Put a little bit of concealer over here all the way towards the eye. I'm going to use this angle brush. I'm going to use this one. This is still a flat brush. I'm going to use Able right here, Able to the inner corner of my eye. It doesn't work, so I'm going to try the Charismatic right here. Doesn't show, so I'm going to try to use it wet, maybe. I'm going to try to use Thoughtful right here on the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to use my hand maybe. I'm going to try to use this one. This like it's like the angle or precise brush. I'm going to blend the one over here, the ones that I added a while ago. I'm just gonna go back to the Inspired using this flat brush. And then I'm going to the Thoughtful. I'm using another flat brush to use the Charismatic to go right here in the inner corner over here to mimic the ones on the top lid. This is how it looks like, guys. I'll be right back to do the other eye. So already done to the other side of my eye, and now I'm going to use this Sex Kitten by Tarte, and this is how it looks like. To use this Oh My line, and this is an Etude House, I believe. This is how it looks like, guys. And then I'm going to curl my eyelashes. And then I'm going to use this My Little mascara. This is another Korean beauty. Back with some falsies on my eyes, and we're going to do a little bit of contour. I have this contour and blush palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to show you guys this ones first. This one is like this. It has a lot of dark colors or shades, and these three are so light for me, and then these two are blush, and this is how it looks like. This is like more of a contour palette for me, and I believe these two are blushes too. To use this one maybe as a contour, because this one's much more lighter than compared to the other one. I'm going to use the other one, which is this one. I'm going to try to use this blush. See, I just put a little bit of dump on it and it's already pigmented. So I'm gonna go dump it right here. Highlighter, and by the way, I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is the Moonlight Pearls. So next, I do have a lot of NYX Cosmetics lipsticks. I have the gloss. I have 3 glosses here. This is in the shade of Oatmeal Raisin, and this one is in the shade of Chocolate Crepes, and this one is Toasted Marshmallow. And I have one lipstick here, which is a matte lipstick, which in the shade Duchess, and I have one of the NYX lingerie in the shade of Exotic. This one, the Exotic first. And then I'm going to use this Intense Butter Gloss in the shade Toasted Marshmallow. I'm just gonna put it on the in the middle, I guess. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks like to the natural lighting.